Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be alcohol, tobacco, and bad language use tonight. If you don't like those things, then leave, because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Yo, brothers, what's up? How's it going? Oh, we got a good show tonight. Oh, fuck yeah, we got a good show tonight. Check this. Oh, brothers. Look. So first of all, we're going to talk about some crypto stuff. I know you guys love your crypto. That's the show, isn't it, motherfucker? Look. So IOTA, a new chat application. And actually, I have another IOTA story. They have another thing. What is it? But we're not going to do both of them, so I just chose one. Oh, they're providing storage, secure storage for some sort of custody type thing. Anyway, bang, we're going to talk about IOTA, but now, look. Here we go. Bang. Look, if you don't want to regulate, if you don't want to get things going, other people will. Bang, Swiss Stock Exchange. Oh. And they're pulling one of the Germans. Bang. End-to-end solution, son. End-to-end solutions. They're not fucking playing. And they're doing it like right now. So, and then now. Well, this is a different thing. But it's an amazing thing. Bitcoin ETF in 2019. Oh, yeah. They figured out the price discovery, the price manipulation thing. They figured it out like a motherfucker. Remember we read about one ETF was going to use 3 exchanges for its price discovery, and then we read Bitmain was going to use 11. Look, you guys are going to be blown away when I tell you how many exchanges these guys are going to use. Oh, there ain't going to be any market manipulating this ETF. I will tell you that. Bang, and then shout outs and airdrops. So let's start how we start. Bang, and then we do a little bang. Yes. And then we do a little bang. And then we do a little refresh. Ooh, look at the big bang. Oh, shit's on sale. Nice. See? That's why I didn't get that Bitcoin yet. That's why I did not rock that mother boom yet. So I didn't rock that. Until institutional investors arrive, just feel free to buy shit. Just feel free. Oh, look. All right. Top 10 of the day. Hold on. Right after. Let me just get fueled. As you can see, there's been a little market shuffle. So we're going to talk about those shufflings. Look. Top 10 of the day. Bang. Bitcoin, XRP, number 2 now. XRP moved into number 2. As of 12:48 a.m., January 11, 2019. Bitcoin Cash, EOS Stellar, Litecoin Tether, and Tron, number 9. Hodling it. And Bitcoin SV now. What do we got? Whew, low double digits down. Let's call it that. Low double digits down. Oh, everything's on sale. Oh, brothers. Look, if you're new here, when you see red like this, don't cry about it. It means things are on sale. Look, and nothing's going to be going up. Look. Let me even bang you like this. Nothing's going to even be going up until these institutional investors arrive, okay, guys? If you're new here, I know, the rest of you guys know. And so when you see days like this, when you see shit like this, bang, when you get a bang day like this, all red, yeah, shit's on sale. Buy it. Buy working product, quality goods, and put it in your warehouse. Fill your warehouse with these goods on these days like this. Fill them. All right? So look. Bang. Let's continue. So, single digits down. Oh, no, my bad. Low double digits down. Low double digits down. Low double digits down. Oh, let's take a look who's on sale today. Well, everybody is. Let's see who's on the most sale. Who's giving out the most bang for the buck? Bang. Oh, Revain. All right. Top 10 on sale, brothers. Revain, Cardano, Icon, Repo, IOST, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Omis Go, Ontology, Stratus. You know I love those Stratus boys. Get that shit. They got that new Microsoft partnership. Bang. Let's see who made money. Ooh, not much. Not much at all. Ooh. All right. Verge, Day, Aurora, USD Coin, Gemini Dollar, Tether, True USD, Paxos Standards, Stasis Euros, and Zcash. Bang. All right. Oh, I'm interested to see what the volume is today. Let's see. Oh, it's nice and juicy. All right. So market cap down 122 billion. Bang. As to be expected with such a blood red day. But look at the volume. Bang. Blood red on volume like today. Man, traders were angry. They really shorted the shit out of shit. So, bang. Let's get on with our stories. Bang. The IOTA platform. Bang, yes, brothers. Marinate on that. Look, look, look. You guys know I love some IOTA. They're doing that Internet of Things. And they have major partnerships. Major partnerships. And actually, I wasn't even going to really do this story because they have such major partnerships, like a little chat application. Like, who gives a shit? Like, that's for other little shitty little cryptos, but whatever. It's news, and so, wow, we're a news channel, so let's do this. All right, new permissionless app being released by Omega Team. According to reports coming from the IOTA team, they've just released an app called ChatIXI, ChatIXI, which is a new permissionless application that will be running on the blockchain. The IOTA team started the new, well, IOTA doesn't have a blockchain, they have a Tangle. Anyways, though, that's what I'm talking about, these websites. The IOTA team started the new year by introducing an app running on the IOTA Controlled Agent, ICT. The application was released by the Omega team members Samuel, Lucas, you got to say their own name, Lucas Tassani, also known as Microhash. In a blog during the release of the app, the community noted that ICT is futuristic and hard to understand. However, the team plans to provide proof concept with the release of the ChatIXI app. Alrighty then. All right, hold on one second, brothers. The app will give ICT a positive look while showcasing all the features the IOTA extension interface IXI has to offer, according to Microhash. The ChatIXI is a lightweight node that is designed for the Internet of Things activities. I don't know. The application is different from other forms of chat applications, and that's running on an immutable and permissionless network, which provides data integrity. This way, the chat does not need a moderator or any specific rules towards it. The effects have a wide range of opportunities as well as a few risk factors that may arise in the chat app. This becomes very important, especially for those who are suppressed. The team is planning on releasing the chat app with no ads and does not collect data from their members. The app does not support a centralized framework because of the inner workings of the Tangle. Oh, okay, there you go. There's the Tangle, yeah. IOTA isn't on a blockchain. It's on their own thing called the Tangle. It's their own unique thing. No one else runs on that. They just made it up. Well, it's a proprietary system of theirs, which makes the message of users uncensored and tamper-proof. The beauty of the Tangle, actually, and that's why IOTA is a big deal, especially with 5G coming out and the Internet of Things coming out next year, in that when all of these little nodes are talking to each other, right? blockchains actually, right? You always have that issue of scalability, right? Everyone's always talking about, oh, but this isn't scalable. That's not scalable. Well, the thing about IOTA and their Tangle is that actually the more IOTA, the more Internet of Things you put on it is the better it works. So actually, IOTA, if you only have a couple Internet of Things on it, yeah, it's slow and shitty. But somehow the more you put on it, it just works better, faster, and I think it's free. I don't think there's any transactions or anything on it. And look, man, that's why you guys know me. I'm an IOTA. Shmore, man, you an IOTA lover? Well, I'm an IOTA fan. Not a fanatic, but a fan. And because, you know, Internet of Things, man, VeChain and IOTA, man, they're going to be running that shit. Look at all the, you know, the partnerships they already have. And so, anyways, guys, that's why I don't even, this story here, a chat, they have such big partnerships. A little chat is almost stupid, but whatever, man. It's news. And, you know, for IOTA lovers, hodlers, bang, including myself, well, we need to be informed. All right, so blah, blah, and so blah, blah, blah. This is a bunch of super techie. We're not going to get into it. So that's it. Bang, there we go. There's your IOTA. Bang, brothers. IOTA hodlers. Bang, the Tangle is running strong. The Tangle is running strong. And now people are going to chat on it. We know we have bigger things, like an IOTA is going to be used for the autonomous cars for Volkswagen and Audi. It's used by the United Nations right now for biometrics and supply chain stuff. It's going to be used by Dubai for a smart city. So a little thing like a chat is a little, I don't know, anticlimactic. It's a little bullshit, really, but whatever. It still is something. And like I said, where was this? I had the other story today. Where is it? IOTA releases an application. Oh, that's the chat. Where's the other one? Oh, partners with the crypto storage. Oh, storage AG to provide secure storage. You know what I mean? These are little partnerships, man. They're not worthy of IOTA's big ones. So that's why I don't talk about them. You know? So bang. Bang, though. Believe me, IOTA partnerships are happening. Just, you know, I want to talk about the big ones, like the ones they have, you know, not these little chats. But it's something. It's something. All right. Bang. Yes. Let's move on. Brothers, look. Oh, look. Yes. Now we're getting into the money talk. True. Look, brothers. We know we've talked about it. Regulatory arbitrage. And look, people aren't going to wait. People aren't just waiting for the Americans to do what they got to do. Europeans are in there. Bang. What did we read about Hong Kong the other day? Bang. The Japanese we read the other day. Bang. What do we know about the Germans? Van Brienen. Michelle, what are you doing? Mama, leave me. I am airdropping the crypto. Bang, the Germans, the Europeans, and here they come. Oh, and they are fucking coming. Watch this shit right here. So look. And why? Well, what do you care about those guys? Well, why I care, fuckstick, is that this is a global market. So it doesn't matter where the money comes from. As long as they pump it in here and buy the goods we have, right? Anyone can buy your goods. Anyone can buy your IOTAs, your VeChains, your Cardanos, your Moneros, your Bitcoins, your Litecoins, Ethereums. Anyone. So just who cares who comes, right? That's the point. We don't care. Just get on in here. But obviously we're rooting for the Americans, the biggest economy on earth. Yes, the Chinese, that would be nice, but it doesn't look like that's going to occur. And that's why we also root for those Indians. Yes, they're being a little strict about their citizens' money too. Strict. But look. America, that's good enough. And the Europeans, good enough. And look. Swiss Stock Exchange. Now, the stock exchange itself, not some fuckstick little exchange. The Swiss Stock Exchange is bringing crypto to the center of the global financial industry. Bang! Look, look, look. Let us look together as brothers. Six Digital Exchange, SDX, the new crypto exchange from Switzerland's principal stock exchange, Six, plans to offer end-to-end trading. Look, 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 look. What are they offering? Bang! End-to-end, sons of bitches. Brothers, sisters, goats, chickens, pigs, cats, and dogs. We're about to get offered some bang end-to-end trading solutions from Six. Yes, with their new Six Digital Exchange. So, oh, look at what it says, actually. I even got too excited. Look, look, look. So let's start that sentence again. Six Digital Exchange, the new crypto exchange from Switzerland's principal stock exchange, Six, plans to offer end-to-end trading. Bang. But look, look, look. Settlement and custody. Bang. For digital assets when it rolls out in when? Look, look, brothers. That's what I told you. This year, wait till you hear the next story. You fuckers are going to fucking just start going crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, motherfucker, Shamari. Yeah. Oh, you guys are going to go crazy. Because I went crazy. Look, look, look. And the solution is found, brothers. The solution is found. Oh, wait till I tell you. Let's just continue with this. Oh, man. Let me get fueled, man. We're going to have a party. Fuck yes, we are, brothers. And oh, brothers. Crack yourself a beer right now. Pour yourself a glass of wine. Take a shot. Here it comes. Oh, hear it. Bang! Oh, bang, 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 brothers. Isn't it fun to watch it all come together? We knew one day these guys would get here. The institutional investors would arrive. Look, look, look. I'm a 19-year investor. I know the nature of these boys right here. How do you think I started in crypto? I mean, my buddies told me about it back in the days. So I bought some. But how did I get into it now? Because I'm not stupid. I'm a 19-year Forex trader. I've been smashing these institutional investors for 19 years. That's how I live. That's how I make money. I knew when they smelt stuff like this, bang, 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 $122 billion? There's no way they were going to let that get away. There's no way. No way. Look, look, look. Oh, brothers. That's why when I point at you and I say you're going to be rich, like, what do you think that I do this shit for? I don't get paid to do this, right? Yeah, it's because I'm going to help a bunch of guys make millions, right? Can you make, right? Joy in life doesn't always have to be about making money. Joy in life can be doing something, right? Teaching a child how to ride a bike. Teaching whatever. All right, well, I'm showing motherfuckers that, bang, there's a tsunami of money coming and the greatest transfer of wealth. Look, 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 brothers. Let me be serious with you about what the fuck we're doing around these parts. I'm guiding you. No, I'm not guiding you. You have your own mind and whatever. I'm giving my opinion every day about what? About what? About something that's going down. Yeah, you know what the fuck's going down? It's called the greatest transfer of wealth in humanity is about to occur globally. The rich are about to pour their money and buy these assets that regular guys have. You, right? Me, right? I consider myself a middle class, right? A little upper. Good. My bank account's fat. But middle class, I'm not a billionaire. I don't have private jets and yachts and everything, right? Like that. Yeah. Well, those who with the private jets and the yachts and whatnot, Yeah, they're coming to get an asset. What are they coming to get? That asset. Bang! It's called cryptocurrency. Well, what do you have? You have a warehouse full of it. If you've been here with me, you should by now have a warehouse. Oh my gosh. You should have a huge warehouse of crypto by now. I mean, literally January 31st, or sorry, January 30th. Is there a 31st in January? January 30th last year was the day that I first did this show. And, well, I did 3 shows on that one day because I didn't know how to work the cameras and stuff. So I was kind of fucking around with everything. But look at what the title of the first show is. Crypto Bloodbath, buy, buy, buy. You should have been buying since then. So your warehouse should be nice now. In terms of stock, of course it's down. Oh, it's down like a motherfucker. But it should be fat. It should be fat. And that's what they're coming for. Fat old warehouses. Fat old warehouses. And here it comes. You know what I mean? Here it comes. You know, like I told you, you're like Noah. You know, there's you know, an event that's going to occur. Well, this event is a tsunami of money. Well, how do you catch that money? Well, you have to own assets that the money wants, and then you trade assets for money, and there you go. Bang, you caught some money. This is all happening this year in 2019, brothers. Well, the beginnings. I mean, it's not going to end, you know, ever. It's going to go on forever, but just that's the beauty, and that's what I want to stipulate as well. Shmore, man, you're talking a lot. Look. If you don't like it, leave. Just kidding. Stick around. Listen to this, though, because I have a good point. Is that the reason why why this time in the crypto world is so important is because this is the time when the tsunami of money from institutional investors worldwide begins to hit, right? Like in 10 years from now, yeah, all this stuff will be here, but it'll be like our regular markets right now. The New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, whatever. Yeah, Facebook goes up or down a couple bucks a day. You know, same with Microsoft, Ford, whatever, all those, you know, because it's mature now. But we're in the infancy. I mean, shit, we are in the embryonic stages, for crying out loud. We don't even have an ETF yet. Like embryonic. And so that's what makes this so beautiful is that when this money hits, well, that's why I say you're going to be rich, because look, it's only 122 billion. Yeah. Hundreds and hundreds of billions are coming into this market. Well, they got to put the money somewhere. They got to put it somewhere. Listen, if I'm a $20 billion hedge fund, I'm not allowed to just keep the money that the people give me. If a motherfucker gives me $1 billion, I have to spend it for him. Not spend it. I have to invest it on his behalf. All right, let's talk proper, Shamari, with the slang. I have to invest it on his behalf, right? I'm allowed to keep some for, and I have to explain why. I mean, if I get sued or something. But you have to actually spend it. So they have to. You're obligated by law. Do you know what I mean? And so we have the custody services. So there we go. And now here come these hedge funds. Here comes all the big institutional investors. And when they get here, yeah, they have to buy stuff. All right, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Those are commodities. All right, fine. And then once we get regulation on the rest, like we talked about, there's only about 15 working product. All that money has to get stuffed into all those 15. Do you understand, brothers? I really want you to get it. Like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars are coming. I mean, and that's at the beginning. Never mind over time. Well, not right at the very beginning, not the fucking first month or anything, but Shamari, man, you've been talking a lot. I know, brothers. All right, let's move on. But I want you to get it because bang, mid-2019 right there. That's what I'm telling you guys. I told you, I know Novogratz and all these CEOs, they're talking about crypto's going to be here. Crypto's going to be here first quarter of 2019. I don't believe that. I mean, they're the big guys playing golf with each other. But I think May, June, July, brothers, watch out. Watch out. Oh, my gosh, watch out. And hold on, though. We're going to talk more. Oh, wait. Oh, wait till I show you. Hold on. I know, guys. Shamar, man, you're fucking excited tonight. Yeah, look how early the show's put out tonight. I was like, fuck this. I don't need to talk about anything else. Yo, that's how this show came. It's only 1 a.m. I was like, yo, fuck this. I'm talking about this shit right now. Luck. Oh, like the OKX. Luck. We don't even have to talk about that right now. Ronkez, you son of a bitch. Keep me posted. Twitter. All right. In November, I've even forgotten what we've been talking about. Well, let me remind you, fuck sticks. Bang. Because I know I have been talking a long time. Maybe you did forget what we were talking about. The Swiss Stock Exchange is bringing crypto to the center of the global financial industry. Remember Switzerland? Switzerland's the badass of the financial world. Like, when there's risk off, yeah, what do you buy? Swiss bonds, right? When you have to hide money, you're some dictator, you're some gangster, you're some badass motherfucker. Yeah, where do you hide your money? Switzerland. Those are the kind of people Switzerland bankers deal with. Badass motherfuckers. Dictators and despots. Terrorists. Tax evading pieces of shit. Swiss. Yo, the Swiss and their banking system. Yo, it's a whole different beast. It's a whole different beast than I don't know about your country, but well, I know about your country. It's a whole different beast than your country. So luck. So this motherfucker here says in November they're deadly. Oh, and you know if they want to be the hub, they're going to be a hub. They're going to be like, we don't give a fuck. Bring your Moneros, your Bitcoins, everything. We'll keep it all secret. There's your secret shit right there. Oh, man. Hold on. Oh, man. We're going to talk about that one day. Look. In November, Thomas Zeeb, head of Securities and Exchange at SIX, told Reuters that the new exchange will initially run parallel to the existing exchange. Of course it will. Oh, yeah. But that he expects the existing system to be completely replaced by the digital exchange in about 10 years. Yo, they're going to morph their whole. Basically, it's like, imagine here in America, we have the NASDAQ, and they're like, look, we're just going to morph it and just add Bitcoins and everything and just have in 10 years, this one mega exchange. Yes, brothers, yes. In a recent interview posted by SIX, Zeeb emphasizes the far-reaching potential of SDX and how he believes it will transform the industry. And here are the highlights of the interview. Now, look, we're not going to get into all this because it's a bunch of techie. I don't think you guys will be care. You will care. He says anything can be tokenized. Look, you guys know me. I told you. Look. 10 years from now, when you have a baby, boop, yeah, on your fucking baby's, what do you call that shit? Birth certificate. Bang. It's going to be name, address, mom, dad. Bang. Private key, public key. I'm just kidding, guys. But maybe QR code. Boop, that's your baby's QR code. Look. SDX will offer digital ICOs. There you go, ICOs. You know me. I fucking don't give a fuck about ICOs. Your shit has to be doing something before I buy that shit. I don't invest in white papers, but thanks anyways. Regulation still needs improvement. We've been talking about that. Around here, we all know that. We need regulatory clarity. That's what we've been talking about all year, regulatory clarity. But look. Bang! Regulation will bring institutional investors. This is what the guy says. If we can do that, introduce regulatory infrastructure, institutional investors, bang! For example, will be among the first to want to take advantage of such offerings, of course. They're greedy sons of bitches. I mean, they're not stupid, man. I trade against these fuckers every day. I mean, that's their whole lives is money. Like, that's their whole reason for being is money. That's literally their job is to make money, right? Bang, here they come. The same goes for ICOs, which currently proceed in a decentralized and unregulated manner, and thus give rise to a large number of fraud cases. All right. SDX will combine the speed and technology with the regulation of stock exchange. So, blah, blah, blah. He talks some bullshit there. But in other words, we're building the world's first end-to-end, bang, end-to-end. Oh, look at this son of a bitch right here. End-to-end what? Settlement, bang, custody, bang, platform for tokenized assets that will all operate in what? Look. Bang. Oh, my bad. I even left that word out. But look. Bang. Regulated. That's what we're dealing with now. All these shenanigans, all this nonsense since 2000, whenever till 2000 last year, 2018. We're going regulated. We're going licensed. Shit's getting real. And that's going to bring our institutional investors on board big time. All right. We're well positioned to build a bridge. Wait. Do I want to read this part? Anyway, fuck all that part. Conclusion. So let's go to the conclusion. Following new crypto platforms from Bakkt, Fidelity, CoinFlex, and Bison app. I haven't heard of that Bison app thing. From Boris from Boy Stuttgart. Those are the Germans. Six is well positioned to build legacy infrastructure and traditional finance with the growing digital economy to bridge it. Commanding an institutional track record and regulatory compliance, Six plans to launch SDX as another major pillar that's engineered for the long-term success of digital assets. As with all crypto trading platforms and related businesses, regulatory, see, there's the words right there. Regulatory clarity is the key. What has cryptocurrency blockchain news been showing you this year? Regulatory clarity is the key to advancing the new tech. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, but look. Here they come. The Swiss. Look. Brothers, this is global. So here comes the money this year. So, like I said, I think it's Q2. So just keep building your warehouse, man. Get that shit. And like I said, though, wow. These, I think, are the lowest prices we're going to see. What are we at? I know today we had the bloodbath. But, you know what I mean? Like, when it comes to lowest prices, like, I mean, I don't think, I mean, let's see how far down we can go. But we're only at 3.6 on the, what's this? The Bitcoins. You know what I mean? Like I said, if we can get down to like a, all right, let's imagine. Look. Just so, yeah, man. Get your big caps now while you can, while they're getting crushed. Bitcoin, Litecoins, Ethereums. Those are the commodities. Ay. Oh, and if you're in Europe or anywhere else here, then America, you better get your hands on that OKX. What's that shit? OKX futures. 100 times leveraged. Fuck. What's so crazy? No end date perpetual futures contract. Get it, boys. Get it. All right, brothers. Oh, and here we go. Oh, here we go, though. Look. And this is what it is. This is what I'm telling you. So, by Q2, actually, it looks more, it'll be even faster than Q2 when I read this to you. Because we're going to do the math, and I'll show you. And I realized my math was a little wrong. But look. We are definitely going to have major stuff going on by Q2. That's why you got to get it. That's why you got to get this money, man. Buy your assets now while you can, while this is cheap. Because when these boys come, there's no looking back, right? Like, once the institutional investors start pouring in, there's no looking back. You're never going to have whatever you have right now, right? By this time next year, this is funny. By this time next year, yeah, these prices will be a dream. Like you'd wish you bought right now, right? All right, let's just read. Because because it's a little techie in terms of markets, but I'm going to show you something. Finance legend Spearheads new Bitcoin ETF exchange traded fund. Bang. You know what an exchange traded fund is? It's a fund that, it's traded like a stock, right? It's not just like your 401k where, a motherfucker holds all these assets for you and you're invested in that fund, but he doesn't actually trade it or anything. No, this one's actually traded by other people. All right. So Bitwise Asset Management has filed a Bitcoin exchange traded fund. These motherfuckers right here. One second, guys. 1 second, man. This fucking guy right here. These people don't call before they come over. Hey, brother, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm doing my show. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm doing my show. All right. So, yeah. Bitwise Asset Management has filed a Bitcoin exchange traded fund proposal with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. The initial registration statement on Form S1 is dated January 10th. Tonight, like I told you, is January 11th, 2019. Bang! Yesterday. So, the proposed Bitwise Bitcoin ETF Trust is spearheaded by John Hyland, global head of exchange-traded funds for Bitwise. Oh, and listen to this motherfucker's resume. This guy's a pimp. Yo, he's just an ETF pimp. Watch this guy. The proposed Bitwise Bitcoin ETF Trust. Hold on, man. We got to get real around these parts. Look. This guy is a pimp. The proposed Bitwise Bitcoin ETF is spearheaded by John Hyland, global head of exchange-traded funds for Bitwise, and the former chief investment officer of United States Commodity Funds, where he led efforts, to launch the world's first crude oil ETF. He launched the first crude oil ETF in the world. The United States Oil Fund, he also launched. The world's first natural gas ETF, the United States Natural Gas ETF, UNG, and several other commodity index funds. This guy is badass. He just runs around just building these things. He knows all the tricks and all the things the regulators care about, and he just gets them. He's nice. Look. Oh, I haven't even told you about this part, the part that's coming. In an effort to satisfy the SEC, which has so far rejected every Bitcoin ETF proposal previously submitted, Bitwise is attempting to address every possible point. Every possible point. Now remember, I don't know how long you've been here, but at the very beginning, the SEC had 14 problems, right? They were like, yo, we don't like this. There were 14 things they didn't like. All these guys answered them, right? And then it was down to 3 that they didn't like. Remember, we were reading them last year, all through summer, bang, till today. Well, till about November, right? Anti-money laundering, terrorist financing, and price manipulation. Like I said in November, I haven't heard about the anti-money laundering or the terrorist financing thing for a long time. That's solved. They're just going to do the same thing that the NASDAQ or whatever does for their thing, right? So that's whatever. But the last part was the price. The last part was the price manipulation, right? Because these exchanges in the crypto world, I mean, they're so small. I mean, come on. Me and a couple buddies with a few million, we can really manipulate some markets. Well, some exchanges, you know, if we feel like it. And so the SEC. Whoa, hold on. Hold on a second. So the SEC, you know, the SEC's like, you know, nah, we're not going to let you do that, right? I got to talk to you from this camera right now. Hey, guys. Yo, that camera just kicked out on me. Look at how my face is all stuck. All right. Oh, and that camera's out too? All right, well, we're stuck with this one, boys. So look, though. But now, the last part, the last business is price manipulation. So they have attempted to address every possible point of contention and criticism that has made regulators shy away from an approval. According to the announcement, the proposed ETF differs from, and this is the shit right here, how this is different from the other ones. And that's what I told you guys. Oh, here we are. I forgot we're over at this camera now. Hold on. What's the angle on this camera? What's the angle on this one? Because this is a good story right here. Look. Let's just angle this nice. Look, brothers. Bang! All right. So, the proposed ETF differs from previously filed proposal Bitcoin ETFs in that it will rely on regulated third-party custodians to hold its physical Bitcoin, and that the index draws prices, and this is the big thing, draws prices from a large number, from a large number of cryptocurrency exchanges, representing the majority of currently verifiable Bitcoin trading. Do you remember we watched, we talked about this, right? Like price discovery, right? And then price manipulation. So the SEC, what they don't want, they're not going to allow you to have an ETF or any kind of fund at all or anything like that. All right, or futures. If you're just basing it off of one exchange. Yeah, if you're basing your price off of one exchange, well, if you have an ETF, you and your buddies could just buy that ETF and then manipulate the price because the price is based on what that other exchange is doing. You can just manipulate the price the day before the contract expires, and win. You know, you're not allowed to do that. Like, and so the SEC is like, no, fuck all that. You know, they're not allowing that. So the way to get around that, though, the way to fix that problem is, all right, if I want to make an ETF, I tell the SEC, look, I'm going to get my prices from many exchanges. And so when I get my prices from a bunch of exchanges, you know, I can't manipulate all of them. You know, I can't manipulate 10 fucking exchanges. I mean, it would be a real concerted effort. You'd have to take that'd be a big effort and a big risk and everything. I mean, but you'd get caught, right? Everyone would see what you're doing, right? You get caught. So you just can't do that, right? And so that's what's so powerful about a large number of crypto exchanges. And when I read this to you, you're going to see how large this shit is. Bitwise, a leading provider of crypto asset index and beta funds, currently tracks over what? 200 200 online crypto exchanges. Look, fuck sticks. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Look, you want to manipulate that? Have at it. Have at it. I dare you. I fucking dare you to try to manipulate that. You have to be a government to manipulate that. Like maybe if you're the Russian government or, you know, the North Korean government or something. You know, I mean, you got money like that. Look. I dare anyone. So and the way they chose these 200 is deep. I'm not going to read all of it, man. It's too much. But, you know, you guys know that I put the links to every story in the description of this video. So go and read this part. I mean, if you care that much. But just believe me, it's quite thorough. So they apply strict criteria. It has eliminated a number of exchanges based on several factors. These are the factors. It's too crazy, man. I'm not going to read all that. That's too crazy. So, but badass. It's badass. NYSE ARCA, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, the top U.S. exchange for listing and trading ETFs, is the proposed listing exchange and will file a Rule 19b-4 request with the SEC to list shares of the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. Said Highland, while there can be no assurance that the 19b-4 application will be granted, yes, there's no assurance this is going to work, brothers. There's no assurance, but we have hope. Look, if you're not going to grant what are you going to complain about? What? Price manipulation? These guys are going to use 200 of them. If they're not going to grant an application on that, well, then it's never going to happen. And then, fuck this. Just sell this shit. Get out of here and go on a new market. It's too much. Do you understand what I'm saying? All right. I'm feeling nice. Don't listen to everything. All right. Blah, 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 blah. Despite the SEC's lack of confidence in previous Bitcoin ETF proposals, Holland believes Bitwise can break the losing streak and deliver exactly what the SEC requires exactly. They want you to answer the shit. How are you going to protect clients? How are you going to do this? How are you going to do that? How are you going to do that? Yeah, once you do that, like we talked about, this is a copycat world. Once they do that, oh my gosh, dudes are just going to replicate it. Look. We believe he goes on to say, we believe the crypto trading ecosystem has evolved in significant ways in the past year. Having a regulated bank or trust company hold physical assets of a fund has been the standard under U.S. fund regulation for the last 80 years, and we believe that it is now possible with Bitcoin. Obviously, we need custody. So, Matt, there's more. Holy, this is going on for a while. Matt Hogan, global head of research for Bitwise, says the company has addressed the issues of custody. So they have addressed the issues of custody. Where are you going to hold this stuff? Bang. Trading. Where are they going to do the trading? Bang. Pricing. Where are you going to get your prices from? That's price discovery. 200 fucking exchanges. Bang. Liquidity. Where are you going to get your money? Bang. And reporting. That's the stuff you have to file with the SEC. Now, the SEC has asked and this is what the guy says. The SEC has asked thoughtful and relevant questions about the quality of the crypto trading ecosystem, the reliability of crypto pricing, bang, price discovery, the strength of the arbitrage functions in crypto, we talked about arbitrage, and the robustness of crypto custody, bang. We've spent the past year researching these questions and look forward to discussing those findings with the SEC staff in connection with the filing and listing application. Look, that motherfucker sounds confident. He's like, look, they're asking about crypto pricing. We got that. Bang. Look. He's like, they want to ask about pricing. Bang. We got that. He's like, they want to ask about the strength of arbitrage function in crypto and the custody. Bang. We got that. He said, we spent a year researching these and discussing those findings with SEC staff. Yes, brothers. Yes, these guys, like I said, here in America, these guys are bending backwards to become legitimized and licensed and all that. Well, these guys went the extra mile. What? What did they say? Look. They said, we're taking our price discovery from bang, 200 cryptocurrency exchanges. The SEC can't deny that. I mean, you can't deny that. Like, if they deny that, it means just basically say America is banning crypto. Like, I mean, come on. Just come on. That's bullshit. Okay, so the SEC is expected to, its final deadline for the decision of the Bitcoin ETF rule change proposed by Van Eck and SolidX last year. So, yeah. And that's in February 27th. So that's the Van Eck one. You know, so we're waiting for the backed one, the Van Eck one. I know those other 8 ones, but those are going to get denied. But this one right here, bang, Bitwise. Bitwise's Bitcoin ETF. That's too good. That's too, oh, here we're talking. Fuck. I keep talking to the camera up there. I keep forgetting. Too good. Too good, brothers. So we're going to get our money. Bang. And it's nice. Look. Let's shout out an airdrop and move on. Bang. This son of a bitch right here. Dropper. Bang, bang, bang. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. Radster. See you, brother. Bang. Who's this guy? Oh, Yassine Mubarak. Oh, and that's why. Let's bring this up. Yassine Mubarak. So he brought up a tweet. He's like this. He's like, look. Oh, he got angry. Remember the shit we talked about last night, brothers? Like, I get so angry, these amateurs. It's such a fucking immature market. Like, the fucking thing came out. What did we talk about yesterday? Oh, PundyX. They came out with that fucking phone. And they went down. Right? Look, even Ripple lovers, here's one for you. 5 banks. Well, they're not banks. They're financial institutions. But they're like, yeah, we're going to use the X-Rapid thing or a Ripple XRP thing. And then Ripple goes down. Bullshit. Amateur garbage. Oh, you guys know. And if you've been here, for the brothers who've been here with me from the beginning, holy, you remember I used to get livid. I'd swear and curse and get crazy on here. But look. So here's this guy. So today, this guy, Yassine Mubarak, I see you, brother. And I feel you, brother. And I know your pain, brother. But look. I had to tell him. So what he said was, I've given up on crypto amateur retail investors. Can't wait for the professionals. Backed, Fidelity, ErisX, TD Ameritrade, etc. to step in and save us from these adolescent crypto heads. Oh, believe me, brother. I know. You don't think I'm a Forex trader. I make hundreds of dollars off of something moving for 2 cents. Yo, Bitcoin and that, they move $100 a day. You don't think oh my gosh. And if they gave us leverage, we all want in, brother. And I understand, brother. So I had to tell this brother right here. I had to tell him, look, brother. Preach, brother. But I told him, look, but don't leave. Don't leave. Look, bang. I understand, man. It's a bunch of fuckery, bunch of fucking crypto kids. I don't know what the fuck. But you can't leave now. The tsunami is right here, man. It's right here. That's like a weekend thing. Don't do it. I told him it'll be worked up by Q3. I told him stay strong. Hold alive. You know, I gave him the cryptocurrency blockchain, slogan. So, brother, if you're watching tonight, Yassine Mubarak, hang on, sir. Hang on. I know. It's rough. I know, man. These fuckers. Shit ain't even trending or anything. But look, man. When the big guys get here, we'll be trending. We'll be swing trading. Everything will be all right. All right? All right. Bang. What do we got? Connor Kane. Bang. See you, brother. Ashot Nablia. Well. Nabandian. Bang. Oh, look. This guy said he's a code monkey for life. Bang. Code it, monkey. Code that shit. See, so if you guys thought that I was being rude when I said code monkey, that's what they call themselves, man. Bang, code monkey. Give us the crypto. Bang, love you, brother. See you, brother. Everything, brother. Hope you make it. Bang. Moto spills. See you, brother. Bang. What else we got? Bang. We did that. We did Radster. All right. Well, Edwin. Oh, and Edwin was the real one. Edwin was the one who brought that today. He was like CB News. Sounds familiar? Edwin. Thank you, brother. Thank you. He knows. He understands. Fuck. Yes. Fuck. It's just crazy. Edwin, brother. I love him. Bang. Bob, there he is at 844-1320. Bang, go get him. Read the stuff and get ready for airdrops. Bang. Sticky slug stickers. Bang. All right. High quality decals straight to your door. We also offer graphic design services for custom artwork. And bang. Get your stickers from those guys. Bang. Radster, see you again. All right. So I think that's everybody. Oh, there's Lisa. Bang. See you, girl. Josh. Bang. Deep Entertainment. Bang. Yes. Banging. And then we're back to the Chinese guy. Bang. And Night Rider. Bang. All right. Let's get to the wives and lives. Chill and kill it. Bang. Like how we like to do. Bang. Like this. Oh, I forgot. We're on the new camera. Oh, that shit. I can't do my full face on it. All right. Well, you don't need a bigger version of my face anyway, man. It's probably not pleasant. So let's just chill it and kill it and get over with. Guys, subscribe below. Press the fucking bell. And it'll update you when I do these. Thanks for coming. It's my favorite part of the day. I love doing this for you guys. You guys know I'm a market investor. And this is a new market. So let's make this money. So today we talked about IOTA chat, bang. But the IOTA chat thing, it's really minimal in comparison to the real partnerships that they do have. And then we got the Swiss coming in. You know the Swiss, they make secret accounts. They handle all sorts of sneaky money. Luck. But here they come. Here they come with the Germans. And what they say, end-to-end solutions. End-to-end solutions, sons. Yes, brothers. And then this Bitcoin ETF. What makes it special? Price discovery. What do you say? 200. They're going to get their prices from 200 exchanges. The SEC can't deny that. You know, no one can manipulate 200 exchanges. You just can't do it. So we're going to get our ETF. Bang. We're going to get our institutional money coming in this year. Bang. Sit back and relax, brothers. Hang out with me. And we're going to have a good old time this year. All right. Chill it and kill it. Subscribe. Press the bell. Guys, you know I love you. This is my favorite time of the day. I love talking money. Bang, bang, bang. And, you know, that's about all it is. That's all there is. So, guys, love you guys. Bang. Shamari Clark. This is Clark. Bang. Over and out.